Okay. There's an apple tree up there? I want to see. Going for a delightful afternoon bike ride with Alexander. It's so nice.
Donna, I'm too cold.
You're too cold? Well, that's good.
No.
Because we can do a bike ride to get warmed up again. All right, mischief managed. We got our Hy-vee, and now we just have to get home somehow. You're driving through all the flowers. Tickly guy. I'm here. What do you want?
I want to play Zelda now. Yeah.
We're gonna order food.
Why isn't it there?
But we're already going.
Daniel's crying because he has to watch the Olympics. Poor kid.
It's so gory. It's supposed to look like blood.
Those are streamers.
I know, but it's supposed to look like blood.
100,000,003,000 thumbs up.